Begin simulation. Good morning. Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Doyle, and I'll be your new teacher for today.
Good morning, Mrs. Doyle. Good morning.
Good morning. How are we all feeling today? Ready for a new day?
Thank you. Yep. Well, I'm ready. I think it still feels really early because, like, I don't like to get out of bed early, and so like I like to sleep in. So I'm really happy that there's only one more day until the weekend.
Oh, me too. That's good. Well, hopefully we'll have a fun day today.
Yep. One more day.
So I've heard that you've all been enjoying learning about the world that you live in. So I thought we'd do a little bit of science today and learn about the water cycle.
Not science. That's like, I wish we could do music. Can we do music?
Maybe we can do some this afternoon if we get through this topic.
Awesome. Cool.
I like science. Yes.
Well, that's good. I'm glad. Maybe you can start by telling me if you've heard of the water cycle before.
The water. Oh, yes.
Yep, I've heard of it.
Yes, Mina? Would you like to say something?
Yes, I've heard of the water cycle. I don't know. I think it's like to do with the rain though, but I think that's all I know.
Yes, it's definitely got to do with the rain. Has anybody heard about it? Anybody else want to add anything before I start? Yes, Carlos?
Well, yeah, I think it's like it is to do with the rain and evaporation.
Yes.
And yeah, that something clouds and stuff like that, I think.
That's right. So I'll start by going through it with you. So we have the rain. A big fancy word for the rain is precipitation. Have you heard of that word before?
What? What is that word?
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
Yes.
What? That is a big word.
That is a big word. That is another word, a scientific word used for rain. So when it's raining, this is known as precipitation, and it falls onto the ground, and then the water then goes into the rivers, and then the word for this is called collection. It then goes up. Have you heard of evaporation before?
Yep, I've heard of it.
Yes, I've heard of evaporation. Oh yeah, I know that one.
We get to evaporation, where the liquid turns into gas and it goes up into the air and turns into something that's in the sky that's white.
Oh,
do you know what that is? Yes, Mina?
Clouds.
Clouds, that's right. So it is a big continuous cycle. So a cycle is like a big circle that continuously happens, much like I'm sure you've learned about the frog cycle before.
Yes.
Yes,
yep.
And so this is the same thing, but it's for the water. Do you think you might understand that?
Yes. So there's evaporation, and that becomes clouds, and then it rains, and then it collects.
Yes, that's right. Good work. So I have a worksheet for you today that we might go through as a class. So if you have a look at the first sentence in the first box, we'll read it together. It says, water vapor in the air gets cold and changes into liquid, forming clouds. We're going to draw a line from that box to the correct definition. Does anybody want to tell me or take a guess of what they think that might be? We've got precipitation, condensation, evaporation, and collection.
I think that I would guess water vapor in the air gets cold. Oh, I don't think it's not evaporation. That's the wrong one, isn't it?
That's correct. Have a look at one of the words in there. Forming clouds.
Oh, yes.
Yes, Mina?
I think that it is condensation.
Correct. Good job, Mina. That is right. So if you could all draw a line to condensation.
Condensation.
And then we can write the word condensation in the top blue box with the cloud.
In the which box? Which one do I write it in?
It is a blue box. It's the very top one that is with the cloud.
Oh, okay. The blue box with the... Oh, there it is. The blue box with the cloud. Which one? Which one's that one that begin with?
it's condensation.
Oh, okay. Yes, condensation.
Let me know when you've all done
Condensation
that.
Blue.
You're right there, Emily?
Yes, I was just colouring the cloud in.
Oh, I like that you like to give visual presentation. How about we can leave the colouring until the end? We'll go to the next box now, please, which is water falls from the sky as rain, hail, or snow. What do you think this would be?
Rain, hail, or snow. Oh, that's the Oh, that's the long one.
Yes, Carlos, do you want to have a go at saying the word?
You say it pre
Big word for rain.
Yeah, precipitation.
Yes.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. Fabulous. That's it. So you can
it.
draw a line to precipitation.
Okay, drawing a line.
And then that would be the box with the rain, as precipitation is the rain falling down.
The rain, and that is the green. How do you spell precipitation? What is it?
Precipitation.
It's on your worksheet, Jayla.
It's on your worksheet.
Okay, hang on. Oh my God, it's got like lots of. I spelled it wrong, and I was looking at it.
Okay, take your time.
Yeah, I finished.
Good job.
I've got it.
Can I just call that rain? Because that's so much easier.
You can call it rain as long as you know the scientific word for it.
Wait, is there going to be a test on this? Is there a test?
There might be a test on here later.
Oh no! If I get another like fail, I'll be in trouble.
Emily, are you still following us?
Yes, I got precipitation.
Thank you. So the next box is water flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans. What word do you think this would be connected to? If you think about if you were to have a bucket outside in the rain, you would be collecting the water. So when the water is going into the rivers, lakes, and oceans, what word do you think would be used? Yes, Will.
Collection.
Collection, that's correct. So draw a line to collection.
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 Let me know when you're finished.
Okay, that one, I draw a line. That one, the red box is, oh yeah, because look at that. That's the ocean and that's collection.
Yes, so we write collection in the red box in the ocean.
Yep, collection.
How are you going, Emily?
Yes, collection. I just...
Did you write that word down?
No, I forgot to write it in.
Okay, do you know what box we're writing it in?
Yeah, you got to write in the red one. The red box?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
And there is one more box. Emily, would you like to have a try at this one?
Yes.
So the sun's energy causes water to change into gas. What do you think this would be? There's only one left.
It is...
Have a look on your worksheet. There should be only one box left to draw a line to.
Yeah, it's easy. Like there's just only the one left, Emily. Look at the blank one.
Is it, if the last one I've got left is evaporation?
Yes, that's correct. Good job, Emily. So you can draw that line, everybody else as well.
Evaporation.
And then you can write evaporation in the box going up to the sun, because the sun's heating up the water and it's evaporating up into the air.
And it's yellow like the sun, so that one was very easy.
Yes,
Yep.
good point.
That was easy. Yep, because yellow, it's a bit of a clue.
So how do you think you went with that lesson? Do you think you understand the water cycle a bit more?
Yeah, I do. I knew a little bit about it to begin with.
Yes, so
That's
did
great.
I.
That's
Okay.
great.
I think I did. I forget the
Will?
word again. What's that word? I don't
Which
forget
word?
what's the. I'm just going to call it rain. I call it rain. Can I just call it rain?
It starts with P. Do you remember?
Precipitation.
Oh, precipitate. Wait, when's the test going to be? When's the test?
Precipitation. We'll learn a bit more about it throughout next week as well. And then you'll
Okay,
be able
is that
to
when
get
the
hang
test
of
is?
it.
Is that when the test is?
There won't be a test next week, no,
Oh,
but
phew.
it's good to learn the words.
Okay, yeah, no
Maybe
test.
we can
Phew.
do a science project a bit next week, a bit later,
Yeah,
and
cool. I like projects.
do it in the classroom so we can see it firsthand.
Okay, cool. Experiments. I'll work with you, Will.
All right. Thank you, class. You can now go to lunch and simulation.
Bye.
Great job, Amy.
Thank
Very
you.
interactive with all the kids. So great job. So before we wrap up for the evening, looking back, just a couple of questions, and there's no right or wrong answer here. This is just literally for self-reflection. So looking back over your lesson that you just delivered, what do you think went well?
They seem to enjoy helping me answer the questions. I think.
Yes.
I think I personally like it when the kids are involved.
Yep. No, that's great. That's great. And if you were to do it again, is there anything that you would do differently or that you would like to try?
I think in a classroom, I'd probably like to maybe draw it on a whiteboard or something, but I think that's hard on a webcam. I think
Yes.
that would work a bit
So
well.
throws a few challenges into the mix, doesn't it, doing it online?
Yeah, but that was really good.
Okay, great. Well, that wraps us up. So what will happen now, I'm going to upload your recording and I'll send you the link so you can download that and take a look back at it. There'll be a link in there as well.